And that brings me up to this question too. Before I locate and install this corner one, I may want to dig this up and see where that pipe goes. If that pipe is angled this way, then I know it's probably going to miss this. If it goes straight, I know it goes over there. I doubt it goes over there though. But this would be the best time to dig it up, right? This is all kind of soft dirt anyways, because I remember I dug this out from before. The other thing I could do is not install this one, and then install that. But you know, you gotta start making decisions and go for it. So I'm gonna spend a little bit of time and effort digging this section up just to see what's going on there, seeing what's happening to this. And you see, this has drip irrigation, right? And so there's got to be a pipe that goes over there, and but the drip irrigation pipe isn't necessarily in a 2-inch or 3-inch ABS pipe as a runner to just push the pipe through there. It might not be anything at all. You see what I mean? And if so, I can't use that as a chaseway. If it was a piece of pipe, 3-inch ABS, 2-inch ABS, I could just fish the wire through there. But I don't really think there's going to be anything there. I know there's a pipe here, but I know that goes over that way. You know what I mean? I'm 100% sure it doesn't go from here that way. So I'm going to do some more digging here and do a little bit more investigating before I start installing those lights, those last two lights. Okay, could I install these first? Yeah, I could. Whichever. Just make a decision and do it.
I broke this.